Hello, well done. You managed to crack the final code and unveil your mystery task. The word you found was brotherhood. Do you know what this word means? This word is so important in France as it is one of the three main guiding principles of the French Constitution. For French people, it means solidarity and shows the unity between all citizens. And this is such an important reason why the declarations were written. After such difficulty in France, which was caused by the revolution, freedom and equality were needed, but not just for some people, it was needed for everybody, and it still is today. So, your final task to escape this room is to take everything you've learnt about and read in the articles and write your own article. It can be about what happened in the French Revolution or something about your own life. It's really up to you. But try and think about unity and brotherhood and what that means for making a happy, free, and equal life. Be as creative as you can. Good luck!